Hello, welcome to yet another Kenyan delicacy, and today we are going to prepare a bean stew that is very delicious, healthy, and I bet your family is going to love it. First, you're going to saute your beans and then add your beans in a bowl. Add some water and let it rest overnight. So the next day you're going to wash and rinse your beans, this to make sure that you are eliminating the bloating agents so that you can enjoy your beans without bloating or constipation. After washing, boil for 30 to 40 minutes on a pressure cooker or 1 hour on a normal pot, or until your beans is ready and soft. In a separate cooking pot, heat some oil, add the onions, and then you're going to cook until tender. Then add ginger and garlic, saute for a minute, then add tomato paste and curry powder and stir. Add blended tomatoes and carrot, mix, then add seasoning cubes, salt, cover and let it cook for 1 minute. Then proceed to add your beans, coconut milk, be gentle while mixing, avoid breaking the beans. Then cover, let it simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now garnish with any herb of your choice. I used coriander and green bell peppers. Let it simmer for another 2 minutes and then we'll serve and enjoy. So this goes well with chapati, rice or any mashed dish. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with the rest of your family. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.